Oh my gosh, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. What's up guys, Dakota from CGL Fishing here. We are at Landsford Canal State Park on the Catwba River fishing for catfish. I've got Ethan and Rebecca with me. They're a little bit further down the bank. We've already caught one and it made the whole trip worth it. Hoping to catch some more. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy this. We got a big old cloud of weeds or a small fish. Big old cloud of weeds. Cool. Alright, well this is disappointing. I've never seen anything like this. This is crazy. I don't know if it's because of the recent rain or what. It's literally insane. Honestly, oh, that was a bite. Honestly, oh, that was, oh, we got something biting this one. Oh, yep. Yeah, oh yeah, we got him. We got him. We're hooked into one. It's a big fish, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. Oh my gosh. Please don't tangle up. Okay, he's in the other line, but that's, oh my gosh, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh. This is a big fish. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this fish. Oh my gosh. This is, oh, it's huge. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. That is a huge fish. We got one. He's telling wife she was down the bank trying to catch some bluegill or something. She's gonna come down here so her and Ethan can see the big fish. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this fish. That is a monster. Whoa, buddy. Oh. Hey, E.T., come look at the fish. Look at this fish.
What's that? What's that?
These are my pliers. I'm trying to get the hook out of his mouth.
Let's come down.
All right, come on. Trying to get the hook out of your mouth, buddy. Got it. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this fish. Oh.
Go down the water.
Yeah, here, can you
Wait, no, stay there, please. Wait.
record on this so I can get a front view, please? This is a huge fish. Look at this monster, guys. This is by far the biggest catfish I've ever caught from the bank. I don't know, this could be close to a PB. This is a huge fish. Look at this monster, guys. This is by far the biggest catfish I've ever caught from the bank. I don't know, this could be close to a PB. This is a huge fish. Oh, I've got a scale in here. Oh my. Let's just try to get at least a measurement on him. I'm not gonna weigh him, I don't wanna hurt him. But if we can at least get a scale on, or a measurement on him. Oh, it's a monster. Look at the size of this fish. 33 inches. That is by far the biggest catfish I have ever caught from a bank anywhere. Oh my gosh, look at him. That is a monster. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Oh, all right. You ready? Come here, buddy. Don't hurt me. Oh. There he goes. Oh my gosh. That was huge, huge. Thank you. Come on, take it, buddy. He may be on there, he may be on there. Yep, he's on there. Yep, he's on there. Oh, he don't feel real big, but he's on there. Did he come off? Or is he just, yeah, he's on there. He's just not real big. Oh, nope, nope. He was just swimming with me. Not a bad fish, actually. It doesn't feel like. I'm trying to get under the, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the heck? That was a huge fish. It was huge. Oh my gosh. That was a big fish. Giant. That may have been a PB. Oh my gosh. And he came off right at the pier. It was so big.
The pier?
Yeah, right at the pier. The fish came off. Oh my gosh. That hurts. Well, wow. Whew, let's put another one on and get it back out there. See if we can get one to come back. That was a big fish. It was huge. He didn't fight the whole way in. Put a big one on there. I thought we had a little fish. Oh my gosh. That was a huge fish. PB size, possibly. Giant. Oh my goodness. Try not to disturb it too much because he was biting. Dang it. Something's biting down there, but it's just like real light bites. Oh, got him. It's a fish. It's a very, very pale. Oh my gosh. Fish is like see-through. Well, it's hard to tell without any color, but I think that's a bluegill.